Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer dollars on Binance. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the Wallet section. Select Fiat and Spot to view your balances. Then, choose Deposit and select your preferred fiat currency, such as USD. You will then see various transfer options available to you. Once you've selected your deposit method, carefully enter the amount of dollars you wish to transfer. Binance will display any applicable fees and the estimated processing time. Double-check all the details to ensure accuracy. For bank transfers, you'll be provided with specific bank account information to complete the transaction from your external bank. After confirming the details on Binance, proceed to your bank's online portal or app to initiate the transfer. Use the exact bank details provided by Binance, including the reference code if applicable, to ensure your funds are correctly attributed. Once the transfer is sent from your bank, it may take a few business days for the funds to reflect in your Binance Fiat wallet. After a short wait, your dollars should appear in your Binance Fiat wallet. You can then use these funds to purchase various cryptocurrencies directly on the platform. Remember to always practice good security habits, like two-factor authentication, to protect your assets. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your seamless dollar transfers.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.